Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a collective summer haul. If you hear any noise in the background, that is my puppy who is chewing up the entirety of my room. I did a little bit of online shopping as per usual. I went on White Fox Boutique, which I had never shopped from there before, so it was a completely new experience. I got a lot of pieces from there, which it might be one of my new favorite stores, so it might be hard to resist from now on because the quality is just so good. The prices are a bit higher than I'm used to, like if you compare them to Fashionnova or Windsor or any other type of like Instagram online boutique. They're a bit more pricey, but the quality is there and they are just right on trend. So it was worth it for me. Picked up a few pieces, and I also went on Fashionnova, which you know I love Fashionnova, and I bought a few summery pieces as well because I got roped in. I got 40% off. You need to sign up for that Fashionnova, like, you know, like those emails that you get that are super annoying. Fashionnova, it's always like 40% off, 50% off, up to 80% off. I've never shopped on Fashionnova without a coupon code. Never. I always get stuff on sale, and then it makes you feel less guilty for buying stuff because you're like, it was on sale. I'm actually saving money here. So, I mean, excuses, am I right? So if you're interested to see what I got for the summer and to see my new obsessions when it comes to fashion, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I got from White Fox Boutique, which was a present from my baby sister for my birthday, is actually the only item of clothing that doesn't fit. And it is these army pants. If you've follow any of these like fashion influencers on Instagram, then you've seen pants similar to this. I think the first ones to come out with them were I Am Gia, the label. So if you follow like Temi Hembro, if you follow any of the, like even like the models and things like that, the Instagram models, they all have a pair similar to these. So I saw it on White Fox Boutique. I thought I'd pick it up. I got a medium because I have this like idea in my head that like my body is way bigger than it actually is, I think. Cause like, and I have this issue where like things are loose around my waist and tight around my thighs because, you know, thick thighs save lives. So the issue with these is that the waist is way too big, but the butt and the thighs fit. So it actually turns out okay that I took a medium, but I'm gonna have to bring them to get them hemmed inside. So this is what they look like. They're just an oversized fit in this nude color. So they're like cargos pretty much. And they have this pocket on the side and they cinch at the bottom. So you can style these so many ways. You can wear them with a thick, nice belt, which I also got to wear with these. And you can wear them with a chain. A lot of them actually come with a chain when you buy these types of pants. So you could do that as well, but these just come with no chain. But I also bought a chain. So to go with those pants, which I just mentioned, I got this belt, which I'm obsessed with. There are so many different belts like that out there that are so expensive. And like a lot of designers have been coming out with belts like this. But this one was actually not too bad. I'll have the link for everything that I'm mentioning today in the down bar. So don't forget to go check that out if you want to purchase something or see the price of it. So this is a one size fits all, so it just comes in one size. I hate myself. So it is extremely long. It's made to be like that, and it comes with one of these like buckles like that. So it's definitely made to be a specific style. I think that this with those army pants and a black little crop and some army boots, woo-wee! Hot fire, let me tell you. Super excited to style this. Also maybe with some denim. I'm not too sure. I haven't thought of all the ways I'm gonna style this, but there will be a lot of ways. The third piece that I got from White Fox Boutique is kind of an impulse buy, but I'm glad that I did. And it is this t-shirt dress, which that's not the impulse part, but it is in this like construction sign orange color. I saw it on the mannequin, Jesus. I saw it on the model. If you know Sophia Jamora or whatever on Instagram, you know she's like the most beautiful woman to ever live. She was in that new Zayn music video. She's so beautiful. And she was wearing this on the ad for White Fox, and she was wearing this with the next item I'm about to show you and some combat boots. And she was in the desert. Maybe that added to like the beautifulness of this orange color. I don't know why I didn't just get it in white or something. But you know what? I'm gonna rock it. I was just like, you know, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna get orange. But yeah, it's just a t-shirt dress. It's oversized. It's ribbed all the way through and it is short. So I am going to belt this. So it is gonna be a little short, like pretty short, like wear shorts underneath because we might see your coochie if you bend over short. So yeah, I'm excited to pair this. I actually think that this is gonna be a really cute festival look, which I'm only doing one festival this summer, maybe two. I'm just not decided. I'm just spent so much money on festivals last summer. Pardon me. I spent so much money on festivals last summer that I just kind of want to like take a chill pill, but I am going to be going to at least one and I am going to be wearing this. So shameless plug, if you want to see me wearing this, follow me on Instagram and my social media. The fourth piece, was that 4? That was 4. Your girl can't count, you know, it's been too long since I've been in school. Just kidding. I finished my degree like last 6 months ago. So anyways, the next piece is a little crop top and it looks like this. How cute is it? Tell me that that doesn't give you like vintage Tommy Hilfiger vibes. I don't know. I don't know. I think Tommy Hilfiger does have a crop similar to this, but it's like super hard to find and expensive, and but like this is the same. It's in this nice soft ribbed material and it is beautiful. It's just so cute for the summer. Throw on some high-waisted shorts, any kind of shoes that you want, some Converse, some boots, some Vans. I'm just naming sneakers. A chunky pair of sneakers like the Yeezy ones with this and some denim shorts. You can get chunky sneakers like this, like Yeezy style. My goodness, I swear like I make a Kim Kardashian reference in every single one of my videos. But you can get some chunky sneakers like this on Ego Official, which I'll link down below for you guys who want to get some chunky sneakers under $700. You're welcome. Got this in a size medium. And I'm glad that I did because I've got pretty big tatas. So I wanted, this is called pretty much a boob tube. So I thought the bigger the tube, the best chance it has on fitting on my boobs. Anyways, I got this in a medium. It's super stretchy, so I could have gotten a small, but I'm glad that I got a medium because I didn't want to take that chance. The fifth piece that I picked up from White Fox Boutique, this little cropped t-shirt. So it's just black cropped t-shirt and it has this stripe right here. This is obviously supposed to dupe Gucci, which I'm all about because, you know, Gucci just did this thing where they took these colors, which like, let's be real, this is Christmas colors, and made it like cool. Like there's belts like this, there's like all their patterns are these colors, and it's like super hip to wear, but like a couple of years ago, you would have told me like wear green and red together and I would have been like, no, I'm gonna look like it's Christmas time. But they did it and I'm here for it and I'm gonna wear it. So this is what it looks like. It's just a plain t-shirt, but with the Gucci lines. For less money for those colors and the Gucci stuff. Less money. The last thing that I got from White Fox Boutique is probably my favorite thing that I got. It is this fanny pack. So I've been looking for a simple black classy looking fanny pack, or bum bag as they call it in the UK or whatever, but I call it a fanny pack. In Canada we call this a fanny pack, which I don't like that name, but I mean we're just gonna roll with it. So I saw this one and immediately fell in love for more than one reason. First of all, it's plain, it's small, it's leather, it's black, so it's gonna go with everything. Second, it comes with this badass chain you can wear on the bag, as Sophia godlike Jamora wore in this photo that I'll post right here. So you can keep it on the bag and wear it as is, or the chain is removable. So you can actually use this chain to recreate other looks, put it on your jeans, put it on those army pants that I had mentioned. So super, it's like a multi-piece thing, you know, you get more than one thing for your money. So it comes with this strap that is similar to the belt that I showed you earlier. So it has this big buckle to loop through your holes. Your holes, really, your holes. To loop through your belt loops. There we go. But another cool thing about this is you can actually take this out and change it for this. So the strap of your bum bag or fanny pack or whatever is in this like belt style. So I'll post a photo. I think one of the models on White Fox Boutique had actually done that. So I'll show you what it looks like, but it looks so cool with the strap like this. So you can wear this with the black strap, with the riding strap. You could wear it with the chain, without the chain. You could wear the chain on something else. I mean, you could just, there's so many endless possibilities here, endless. So that is all that I got from White Fox Boutique. Moving on to Fashionnova. I didn't get that many things, but I'll try to run through them quickly because let's make this video not 25 minutes long like my last one. Thank you. So the first thing I got from Fashionnova is called the Line by Line pant set, and I actually fell in love with the print. So this is what it looks like. So this is the top. So it's just a small little crop top with some thin straps and the square neckline that is super in right now. So this is the top, and it comes with the matching pants. So these are just some high-waisted, wide leg, lined pants. So this matched with that cute little top. It's a look. It's really a look. So you could wear that to pretty much anything. Like you could wear that to a wedding. I think it would be pretty cute. It looks pretty classy on. The material's not super thick, so it's good for summer. And I just think that, I honestly I can't tell you where I'm gonna wear that outfit, but I'm gonna wear it somewhere and it's gonna look bomb.com. I'm telling you. Wait for the Instagram pics. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. The second outfit that I got from Fashionnova kind of roped me in with the title. It's called the Business Vacation Set, and I just thought it was so cute. I left it on this hanger because I don't want it to wrinkle, but it is a short set. So it comes with this blazer. How cute is that? So it's baby blue. It's got this like terracotta printed flowers on it. It's super loose and like a little, like a nice soft chiffon. And it comes with these little shorts in the same print. So they just have like this tight elastic band here, and then they are nice and loose. They have pockets, which if you ask me is an essential for summer wear, so you don't have to carry a bag. Same thing about that set. I don't have a specific event that I want to wear it to, but it was just too cute to pass up, and I will find somewhere to wear it. I will. So the next piece I got is also called something with vacation in it. It's called Vacation Days. And as you can tell, I'm very excited for vacation and it being warm outside because we get like 10 months of winter here in Canada. So I'm just excited for all the warm weather and the summer outfits. But it is this jumpsuit and it is in this yellow color. It's got flowers because, you know, in summer we wear flowers. And it's got this tight elastic band around here to cinch in your waist. It's got this crossover style in the front, and then it's just a loose pant all the way down, but it's pretty skinny. It's not like a wide leg jumpsuit. It's pretty skinny. But this color, this little bodysuit, I can't even do holes. This cute little yellow jumpsuit will be so cute this summer. Another piece that I don't have an event to wear to, but I don't think you need one for this one. I think you just wear it out and about if you're going shopping, walking your dog. Yeah, you're gonna look really good. The final thing that I got in this whole haul, but this one is also from Fashionnova, are jeans. So I love Fashionnova denim. They are probably the only jeans that like I found that do the booty justice that are under $400. Because I do have some designer jeans from Citizens Against Humanity, like other like Rag and Bone, but those jeans, like they do the booty justice, but they're way too expensive and I can't afford to buy only those jeans. So Fashionnova, inexpensive, they do the booty justice. You just have to kind of test them out. So I've learned that jeans that are actually in this denim material, I need to size up in. So these are a size 5. Yes, these are a size 5, and I'm usually a 3 in jeans, but this kind of denim material has less stretch. They do sell jeans like more jegging type that I am a 3 in. So these ones here are a little crazy, but they are high-waisted mom jeans, and then they are just shredded all the way down on both sides. Just what's the point of wearing pants if you're going to be wearing these? There's no point. It's the same thing as wearing shorts. It's really similar, but it's gonna be a look, you know? I'm gonna wear these with some strappy black heels, one of these little black crop tops, or any type of top. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be a look. Or maybe it won't, it's gonna be ugly. I mean, we'll figure it out, but I got those. And those were only 20 bucks, I believe. So those were a size 5. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little summer collective haul. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget that I'll have all the links and my size and the prices in the down bar, so please check that out if you're interested in any of these pieces. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Also, don't forget to click on the little bell to be notified when I post a new video, because apparently the algorithm on YouTube is changing, or has changed. I'm not too sure. So just click on the little bell and you'll be notified when I post a new video. Other than that, if you want to see me style these pieces throughout the summer, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.